Hello boys and girls and everything between and beyond. My name is V and welcome back to another Holostars reaction video. Today we're checking out the YouTube channel Ecchi again, and the title of today's video is Shinri wheezing at holotempus failing for 10 minutes straight. And with a title like that, I just couldn't stay away. So let's lean back, relax, grab a snack, grab a drink, and grab a friend. And let's see whatever it is the Tempus boys are doing to get Shinri to wheeze.
For new viewers, the idea here is to go ahead and build an obstacle course that will let you win, but your friends to fail.
There's that funky music.
That's impossible.
Watch and learn, boys.
I have this keyboard. I'm watching and learning.
Yeah, that would have been me. Overconfidence, but yeah, not being quite able to do the thing.
You suck!
Alright, here we go. Oh, squirrel parkour.
I can't see it!
You didn't win either. You didn't win either.
Are you?
How are we supposed to...
I'm gonna screw myself over with my own, like, buzzsaw. Go, go, go! No! Alright, we're good. And the victory goes to yours truly, Gavin's medal.
Oh my gosh. Are you serious?
Fall.
No.
Fall. Die. Die. Die.
Boys, please.
Dude.
Did you practice off stream?
No,
I think you did. I honestly think you
Oh,
did.
that's not fair.
I didn't.
Okay.
No, I seriously... Wait, no, what is that?
Haka has...
This is... Wait, what?
These wall jumps are sending me back.
Oh my god!
Oh, poor Battle. Did he get 1 point? This collab.
That thing at the top, who put that there?
That's fine.
But what?
You are a...
Why are you so angry for? Yeah, did you make a bet? Okay, I'm gonna get serious.
Yeah,
I'm gonna get serious, dude.
I'm getting serious. I'm getting serious.
Watch, I'm the underdog for a reason. It's like I'm under the dog.
Alright.
Go on.
Door.
What?
Boom!
What happened to all that bravado, Battle?
I just flew across the map.
Wait, hold up. How am I supposed to... Oh, no.
Hi, Axel. Hi, Axel.
Got control, right?
I don't wanna go now.
Sure you can do it.
All eyes on you.
I'm not using my controller, it's not working.
What just happened there? What just happened? Did you guys saw that? Wait, you got a coin? What the heck?
Are you mocking me on your stream?
No, I'm legitimately concerned. Like, you went through that ramp. It was transparent.
I'm gonna go through your freaking brain!
What happened?
It's supposed to be transparent.
What?
For your mistakes at all.
I don't understand. I run and I jump and it just doesn't work.
What?
It's not even like a joke. I was like,
Oh my
Why are you
god.
looking at me?
I'm gonna die. Okay, here, let's go.
Together? Okay.
Oh, wow. No, that's not fair, man.
What do you mean that's not
I
fair?
don't
It's
want
parkour.
I'll be honest with you.
Are winning. Holy sh!
Let's go.
Wow. There we go.
What is
What is that? What is that?
I've actually never seen
I'm
that
feeling
before.
that.
You really
Oh
wanna know
my
what that is?
God!
That's it.
What?
We love you.
Oh wait, I'm alive! Holy shit!
Wait, what is that?
What's
Jumps are insane, dude.
Alright, watch this. Watch this.
0-4 all over again.
Boom. Nailed it.
Battle, get up!
Flayon?
You got this.
Oh god, this guy.
If Mega Man taught you a lesson, it's to do a sprint, run, and then walk around.
Sprinting!
There you go. No,
You're jumping too. You're jumping too.
I'm trying, dude!
He's fighting for
You
his
think I
life
want
right
to
here.
get Harpia? No way!
We only have so much time today.
Okay.
There you go.
Unbelievable.
Very small, very small. This is why you need our trust.
Oh my god. Skill issue, huh?
Yeah, it's definitely a skill issue.
Be like
Battle, where should I put this?
That looks great. I think that's.
Yeah, that looks great.
I think that's effective.
I think
for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is wrong? You are not taking this serious, and it's making me upset.
Yeah, I want to keep talking trash. Go on.
Easy! Too easy! Already.
Gav is beetle.
Name.
Why is it getting higher?
There we go.
You guys stink. No. Oh, man, how does it feel?
Yeah, better. Oh, how'd you die there? I'm so sorry. I couldn't do anything.
I can't punch my. No, don't dance. No. That's emoting on Fortnite.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Here. Is this better? This is
Emoting. How do you do that? I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't think I'll make it, but I have the power of getting anime on my side. So,
There you go.
There are 3 flowers. There's no way.
Baby.
Oh,
That means shit. Oh!
Oh, come on.
I bet.
What?
how did you overshoot so far?
Oh, I forgot to do.
Hey, did you guys know you can grab onto the swing?
Yeah, that is another lie.
Oh god. I miss this game. It is so chaotic. I wonder if this have had any updates recently, because I have not seen this game in years. If there's like a sequel, or if they have added more maps, or I think it's like 2 years since I saw like the ID girls play this or something like that. Which was fun. Like this game is always fun because you always like this. You need at least one guy whose mission it is to just screw everyone over.
Wrecking ball, what's your problem?
This is
I'm dead. I just died on impact.
in solidarity. In solidarity. Oh my god.
Bellow, I love you. I'm gonna hurt you.
Oh no.
You know, I've had nightmares for 3 nights in a row, and you have now given me 4. I just don't need that. I just don't need that.
Come on, this is your fight.
No.
Wait, what are you saying? I don't get it.
No, don't worry
I don't
about
get it either.
No, you have to explain it. I'm curious.
You'll
What is it
actually
learn.
showing
don't
me?
get it.
You'll
I
learn
actually
when
don't
you're
get it.
older. You'll learn when you're older.
I'm older than you! You're just laughing at me, Shinri!
Oh, for
Whoa!
Just what just happened?
I like Shinri's strategy. Just stay back, observe, and enjoy the chaos. That's probably the best strategy you can have in this game.
I don't.
You all right there, Bellow?
That's
I don't know,
not fair.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened there.
On top of the world, you're with me, not alone. You're down on the floor, battle. You're not winning. Can't get up and dance. You got no skill here. Oh,
Brother, hey, come on, chat, buddy. We can get to that place.
Yeah, nice.
leave me alone.
Okay, it's on you.
Well, sorry, I got distracted. I zoned out for a second. I forgot English.
Wait. I want to see if this
Okay.
works. Does that work?
Shinri.
Oh my
Shinri, jump up.
I want-
Shinri, jump up.
Oh my god!
Oh, that's evil.
Don't go in there. That thing.
Don't go in there. That's a death trap.
Oh, come on.
Oh, I can't see the.
Wait, what?
Play on.
You okay there?
Okay,
Are
ew,
you
it's sticky. Gross. Ew. Okay. Hi, Shani. Hi.
How are you
Going
doing?
flush down the toilet.
I'm doing
Wait,
well, yeah.
Wait, shut up. Aaron, just steal the victory. Just steal the victory. Steal the victory.
Wasn't, you know, correct me if I'm wrong, but wasn't Flayon the genius of the group with 0 points?
Yeah, something like that.
Oh man, rough.
Boys,
I
please, please.
I see how it is.
According to my calculations, this is gonna fuck
Did you
up.
say my...
You're what?
You were what?
My calculations.
Okay, wait. No, okay. We know not to go into those.
Hey, baby.
I wanna borrow him one day.
You wanna what?
Borrow him.
You don't.
I don't think you can do that.
Borrow, borrow.
Borrow.
Dude, I
Borrow.
thought you said something else.
No,
I was
I
very
would
surprised.
never do that to him, or whatever that means.
Suck
I
up
don't
for
want
a
to
few
for
days.
him.
Ah.
Got here. Are you okay? It's okay, I won't dance over you.
Please don't. I'm gonna...
All right, let's just. Oh no! Oh my god!
Believe in me.
I believe. Oh no!
And dead.
Oh shit.
Oh. And dead.
Break my solar butt.
Wait.
According to my calculations,
That was brutal.
That was pretty metal. Oh my god.
dude, that was yeah. I gotta
Fine,
be
no
honest
one can
with
win.
you. Oh my god. Okay. All right.
Also, read the description. Okay. Good. Hi, thanks for reading the description. First of all, this is only the first 30 minutes of the stream. It was one part 2 with more Shinri's. Please comment it below. So I would love to know if people are interested in these and we's laughter. Gets to pay for that one, although his laughter too gets more and as time progress. If you're wondering why is it only 30 minutes, check bottom desk pointer. Secondly, congrats to the new holotempus boy for their astonishing debuts. Link in the channels below. Oh, give them all love, as much love as possible. Yeah, especially nowadays. Thirdly, I'm so sorry. This is the third time I've uploaded this video because I'm bad technology. So please forgive me on a humble Twitter clipper. Don't worry. I'm not that good at technology myself. So, if interested in regular clippers, possible, I'm gonna summarize it. Here's the rant I edited. Okay. On a content, yeah. Okay. Yeah, link. God damn it. I think my model just broke. But anyhow, link down in my description for the original video. So please give them some give them a like and a subscribe as well. Because I'm actually just a leash, and it's a React leash at this point. But yeah, since my model broke, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for subscribing. Please let me know down in the comments what I should check out in the near future. Have a good whatever it is where you are, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.